Today I am going to show you how to produce the L sound. To make the sound, the tongue starts behind our front teeth. We turn our voice on and the tongue moves down. We go You
can follow NHS Lanarkshire Speech and Language Therapy Children and Young People Service on our social media, on Twitter at SLT North and at SLT South Lan, and on Facebook search for Speech and Language Therapy NHS Lanarkshire. You can contact us via our email address sltinquiry@lanarkshire.scot.nhs.uk or phone our helpline number on 01698 687 606.